In our previous class, we had seen how to send the email notification with the help of this template that is on the human task. If you go over to the notification on assignment of a particular task to a user, we had sent a email notification. And also we had seen how we can customize this HTML based templates for Oracle Process Automation. Now in this class, what we will do is we will see about the system actions. Suppose when the task has been created or the process instance has been created for this particular my structured process, then when the task gets assigned to the manager, that is the leave application, manager will have two options, that is to either approve or reject, as we seen over here with the help of custom actions. Now, in order to demonstrate, let me create a fresh leave request over here. I will tell dummy request. This is just for the demonstration. I will select some random dates over here and click on submit. Done. Our process got submitted successfully. Now, as I am the manager in this instance or for this process, I will go over to the task and see if there is any task pending for my action. I will go over to the team task. I will see this. There is one task, leave application. Click on this. Now here if you see, I am having approve and reject. So these names for the button are taken from this custom action. Suppose if you change approved or rejected, then accordingly it will come over here. As the user can either approve or reject, it will complete the task, as we do not have any other conditions or any other actions after this human task. Now if you see over here, there are few systems actions, that is escalate, request for more information, reassign, release, withdraw. Suppose if the user feels that user is not the appropriate user, then they can take any of the system actions. Like if I feel that I'm not the right person, then I can click on this reassign and I can select any of the users from this options and I can give the comment and I can reassign. Or if you want to assign to a particular role, then you can select that role and click on reassign. Whoever is belonging to that particular role, they will get the task, that is to take the action on. So this is for the reassign. Now coming to the another, that is request for more information. In order to demonstrate that, we have to first of all claim. So this we will take up later. Next is withdraw. Suppose if you want to withdraw this application, then we can click on this withdraw and give the comment as withdrawn and click on withdraw. Here you won't see any of the tasks, but you can go over to the filter and here you can filter based on the withdrawn task. Click on filter. Now we are unable to see the withdrawn over here my task, because the reason is we are saying that assign this particular task, that is whenever the task get assigned to this manager role to the current lane participant. So this is not an individual. Suppose if you select individual assignee, if it is an individual assignee, then it will come under the my task. Suppose if you select the current lane participant, or if you just select all assignee in parallel, in that scenario, it will come under the team task. Now since we had withdrawn the team task, it will be coming under managed by me. Now here, if you just filter over here with the state as withdrawn, click on filter, you will see the task. So this task got withdrawn. So no action was taken on this particular task. So it means you can either withdraw the task or you can reassign. Suppose if you want to escalate, so in order to demonstrate that, I will raise one more request over here. Just click on submit, no need to fill the details. Now go over to the task, go to team task. Now here, if you just click on this escalate, you will get the option to whom we have to escalate. You can select that person and tell this person has applied for the leave. So this scenario will come if the user is taking more than prescribed limit of leaves in a particular month. Take action, we will tell take some action. So we can escalate like this, so that it will come under the my task. So here what is happening is we are assigning this particular task to a specific person. So in my case, I have assigned that to the John Dunbar, that is my user. So it is coming under my task. Now here if you go under the task, here you will see the task was escalated to this one by this one. So this message you will find. Now if you go to the tracking, here also you can see under the audit what has happened to this particular task. Let me just go to the tracking, select this one, and if you just expand on this audit, here if you expand this, here you will see all the history, to whom it was assigned and who has escalated to whom, so on and so forth things. All the actions will be shown over here. Similarly, for my previous task, I had withdrawn. Here if you see just expand, here it will show it was withdrawn by this particular user. So this was regarding the withdrawn. So suppose if you want to release the particular task, that also you can do. And now one more thing is, suppose you don't want a particular system action to be visible in that particular screen, then you can just remove that. So suppose if you remove this from here, so that particular action won't be shown over here, that is under more actions. Suppose if I just remove this withdraw, then when the instance is created, it won't show over here. Suppose if you want to request for info, you can just click on this and you can assign this task to a particular user, in this case the leave submitter itself, and ask for more information. Suppose if you are unable to see this request info at the first go, then what you can do is you can first claim. So we will demonstrate, as this task got escalated, we are seeing this request info. Now I will create one more request over here, a fresh request, click on submit. Now go over to the task, team task, click this. Now here if you see, we are not seeing the request info, even though we have mentioned over here system action request info should be visible. In that case, first of all, we have to claim the task. As it is under the team task, first you have to own that task. You can tell claiming task, click on claim. Now it will be moved under to the my task over here. Click on this. Now you will see the request info. Now here you can ask the requester of the leave to give more details. So like this, you can ask, give appropriate details, that is.